Court admits judgment on military invasion of Nnamdi Kanu's residence, warns IPOB lawyer. Good day, my dear listeners. Here is another interesting news reaching you today. Thank you for listening. Moving on to the full details, kindly please ensure you like, subscribe to this channel and share. The Federal High Court in Abuja on Wednesday admitted in evidence 3 judgments, including that of Justice Benson Anyal of the Abia State High Court, who ordered the Nigerian government to pay the leader of the indigenous people of Biafra IPOB, Nnamdi Kanu, the sum of 1 billion naira for the unlawful invasion of his residence in 2017 by the Nigerian army. Justice Anya Ard, in the judgment on the fundamental right enforcement suit filed by Kanu, declared that the invasion of Kanu's home in Abia State in September 2017 by the military was illegal, unlawful, unconstitutional, and amounted to the infringement of his fundamental right to life, the dignity of his person, his liberty and fair hearing as guaranteed under the 1999 Nigerian Constitution and the African Charter on Human and People's Rights. Also admitted in evidence were certified true copies (CTC) of judgment in suit FHC UMCS 30/2022 delivered on October 26, 2022 between Nnamdi Kanu vs. FRN and E20/2023 between Kanu vs. FRN. The trial judge, Justice James Omotosho, who admitted the 3 judgments, which were tendered from the bar, marked them as exhibits PWL, PWM, and PWN respectively. The 3 judgments were tendered by the counsel to the defendant, Paul Erokoro, San, during the cross-examination of the prosecution witness, simply identified as BBB. Meanwhile, counsel to the prosecution chief Adegboyega Awomolo, San, protested against the live streaming of court proceedings of the trial by the defense team. In a letter dated May 14, the prosecution lawyer recommended that the use of phones be banned from the courtroom henceforth and lamented the action of Aloy Ejimako, a member of Kanu's legal team, who posted alleged misleading information on social media. Awomolo accused Ejimako of posting misleading, embarrassing, and unpleasant commentaries on social media on the ongoing case, which is a serious matter that should not be trivialized by any lawyer from any of the parties. However, Kanu's lead counsel condemned the action of Ejimako and apologized profusely over the conduct and promised that such would not repeat itself. In his reaction, Justice James Omotosho expressed displeasure over the unprofessional conduct by lawyers in the legal team of the IPOB leader, adding that they are mere content creators who did not want an end to the trial for their selfish interest. He charged all parties in the case, especially those prosecuting the trial on social media, to act professionally so as not to have themselves blamed. He particularly warned Aloy Ejimako to stop such conduct that may warrant the disbarment of a lawyer, adding that Ejimako even has the audacity to post the approved list of counsel for Nnamdi Kanu on his Facebook page. Justice Omotosho charged all parties in the matter to avoid acts that could amount to misconduct and to watch what they post on social media. The judge said he granted an accelerated hearing into the case in the interest of all parties, particularly for Nnamdi Kanu, who has been in custody for too long. The actual case later continued with the cross-examination PW2, a personnel of the DSS, codenamed BBB, by Paul Erokoro-san, who conducted proceedings on behalf of the defense. On whether the DSS can be influenced by politicians or ministers, the witness said the agency lists under the Office of the National Security Advisor, ONSA, adding that the Attorney General of the Federation, AGF, does not teleguide the operations of the DSS. Asked about the mode of intelligence gathering by the DSS, the witness noted that the sources are many, including human, social media, among others. The DSS operative further said owing to their mode of training, DSS operatives have the capacity to get information where necessary. The court thereafter adjourned the matter until Thursday, May 22, 2025, for continuation of cross-examination of the second prosecution witness. My dear listeners, now we've come to the end of our today's news. Please do drop by at the comment section.